Two birds are on the nest. Three eggs are on the nest. One bird is on three eggs. Oh yeah, eggs. Yeah. Four birds are in the nest. Here are five birds.
Very good.
Oh, yeah.
On top.
Oh. What's this?
Spots.
Spots on fish. This fish has one spot. This fish has two spots, and the fish have three spots. Three spots. This fish has three spots. The fish have four spots. The fish have six spots. What's this says?
Read by sound. Sir.
Surprise!
Very good.
Look. What's the?
Read by sound. Look what?
Look what? Oh yeah, look what is it? Go to the. Right? And what's this?
Look on the picture. What's on the picture?
Book.
Okay.
Go to the book. And this is there's no word of book, right?
It's okay. Just look on the picture. The next.
Look in the.
No, next is here.
Oh, I thought here.
Okay.
Look. Oh yeah, over or
No.
under?
No, look. Anong number ba? Anong letter ba?
Under.
Okay.
Look under the couch.
Okay.
Look in the. What's this?
No, what's in the picture?
I don't know what that is.
Pot.
And go to the playground.
Okay.
What's this is? Surprise!
Okay. Go.
A.
No. At. Anak, baba mo lang.
I don't know. A.
At.
At the pond. A book is on the duck. The duck is on a lily pad. The duck.
Oh, this one.
Oh no!
Next.
The duck is on the rug. The rug is on the log.
Okay.
Oh no! And look out.
No, this one.
The frog is on an alligator. Look out!
Okay.
Okay.
Next page.
Ow.
Go.
Look at the hat. Mommy, what's this then?
Read.
What can you do? I can hop. You can hop too. What can you do? You can hop. Run. I can run too. We can run. What can you do? I can